With just a single book, this seller is recording up to 372 copies of this book every day and up to 11,160 copies every month. Estimated royalty is above $1,000 every day, $1,432 every day, and $42,966 every month with just one single book. And looking at the history of the sales history over the past 1 month from 15th of March 2025, you can see this bestseller rank. The bestseller rank was 324 as at March 16, and it went up to 427. Price of this book is just $7.99. It went up again, went down. When a bestseller rank is going down, that shows that demand is increasing for this book. So you can see that the bestseller rank went down. As at 20th of March, it was at 339. Just like that, it went up to 541 as at 26th of March and came down to 329. Just like that, it's been going up and down, and now it's at 249 as at the time of recording this video. You can see that the demand for this book is very high. The sales history over the past 1 month has shown that the demand is high. I'm going to be showing you in this video the particular niche this seller is using to record his sales. This seller is leveraging on this niche to record his sales every day and every month. And I will also show you some other sellers who are also even making way above this particular person every month, and about 4 or 5 other sellers that are making similar amount every month. And the juicy part is that there is still an opportunity to publish on this niche. I'm going to be showing you how competitive it is using the search results. I'm also going to be showing you the demand for this book using the bestseller rank of about 4 different books on the first page of Kindle Store. And I'll also show you that many people are searching this book using the niche score. So you may want to stick around to the end of this video. I'll be showing you the niche and how you can leverage on it to increase your monthly sales. When analyzing a niche, like I always say, you can use 3 key factors to analyze a niche to ensure that that niche is going to be profitable and that the niche is less competitive and that people are searching for that niche. To determine that this niche is less competitive, I'll be looking for the search results of 1,000 and below. It will show me that there is less competition on this niche. Then I'll also determine the demand of this niche using bestseller rank of 1, 2, 3 or 4 different books published by individuals on the first page of Kindle Store to determine that people are actually buying this book, that the self-publishers that have published on this niche are actually recording sales. Then I'll use the niche score to determine if people are actually searching for this niche. So these are the 3 key factors I'll be focusing in analyzing this niche. So the niche we'll be talking about is ASMR coloring books. Now, ASMR related coloring books are in high demand, is trending right now, and I'm going to give you reasons why it's trending. So if you leverage on this niche, you're going to be recording sales every month. Now, recently there has been a trend about ASMR related contents both on social media and even on Amazon KDP. Now, one may want to ask, what is ASMR? It stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, kind of tingling, calming sensation that people get from certain visuals or even sound. So when you create a book that is related to SMR content is in high demand right now. People are actually looking for ASMR inspired coloring book because it helps in stress and anxiety relief, and it also helps in mindfulness and focus. It also helps children for better sleep and enhance sensory experience. There are a lot of benefit people get by coloring images that are ASMR related. So this particular niche is on high demand right now. People are actually searching for it. So it's something you may want to try if you're looking for a niche to publish to increase your monthly sales. ASMR related coloring books is something you may want to try. And you don't just remember, ASMR is a niche. So under this niche, you have different titles. So you just want to get a unique title. You just have to check through the Kindle store to get a unique niche, to get a unique title for your book. And remember that your title will be related to ASMR content. So you need to get a title that will fall under this ASMR in order to be able to leverage on this trending niche. Now I'm going to be showing you why I think this niche is profitable, less competitive, and high in demand. Like I said earlier, I'll be checking competition using search results. Then looking at this niche, the search result is giving 507. Usually when search result is less than 1000, it shows that that niche is less competitive. Now it's showing 507, meaning there is ample opportunity to still create and publish on this niche. Self-publishers are just 14 individuals that have published on this niche, so you can just join by publishing your own. Then to determine if people are searching for this niche, you consider the niche score. Now the niche score is given 58. Usually when niche score is above 50 and above, you know that people are actually searching for that niche. This one is showing 58. That shows that people are actually searching for this niche. To determine if there is demand, not that people are just searching for it, if there is demand for this niche, we'll be checking about 4 different books published by individuals on the first page of Kindle store to determine the demand of this niche. So the first one I'll be checking is this. This is individually published. It was just published a year ago. The bestseller rank is just 28. It can be done. Usually when bestseller rank is below 300,000, that shows that the seller is recording sales. Now this is giving 28. This shows that this person is making a whole lot of money every month. And when you check 28 here, if you check 28, you can see how much this person is making. With bestseller rank of 28, is making above $5,000 every day and up to 150,000 USD every month. And this is so wonderful. So this is the first person. I'll be checking for the second person. I'll skip the one that are sponsored. I'll be checking the ones that are published by individual. This is the second person. It has bestseller rank of 249, and when you check how much he's making with bestseller rank of 249, is recording above $1,400 every day and 42,000 and above dollars every single month. You can see the demand for this book. These are individuals. I'm going to be checking the third book. This is the third book. This is 120 in books. This shows that there is demand for this book. I'll be checking for individually published. This is individually published as well. 186. You can see their bestseller rank show that the demand for this niche is very high. Like I said, ASMR related coloring book is just a niche. Then under this niche, you have different title that is related to it. For instance, this person, the title is Stress Relief Coloring Book for Adult and Kids. This one is Glow Cosmetic Coloring Book for Adult and Kids. This other one is Cute and Groovy Coloring Book for Adult and Kids. This other one is Simple Art Coloring Book for Adult and Teens. So you have to choose a unique title that is tailored towards ASMR related coloring book in order to maximize your chances of having your book on the first page of Kindle store. I'm going to be showing you the interior of one of these books to show you that it's very easy to create, and this falls under low content book. Is something that you can create using Canva. So let's check the interior of this one that is doing well. So this is what the interior looks like. You can see it's just a coloring image with one page left, it's one blank page, and you can have number of pages you want, so you can make your own unique. It's just a sample. These images you can generate them using ChatGPT. You can also generate them using Canva AI free version, and you can just create this and begin to leverage on this trending niche. As you can see, the individuals that have published on this book are recording sales. So this is what the interior looks like, and it's very simple to create. I've already made a video on how to create a coloring book using Canva free version. When you check out the reviews on this niche, you can see the reviews high. Like this is 701, this is 1003, just like that. A lot of reviews shows you that there is demand for this book. People are buying and they are leaving their reviews, and the sale history has also proven that there is demand for this niche. So if you're looking for a new KDP niche on low content to publish, ASMR related coloring book is one you need to try and leverage on this trending niche and maximize your sales every single month. I'm going to be attaching the link to the video I already made about how to create a coloring book using Canva, how to determine your page, your paper size, your margin, your trim size, and every other thing, and how to accurately calculate your dimensions, and how to download where to download the images, and how to use the image to create a coloring book. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this video, so if you want to know how to create something similar to this, you may want to click on that link and it will take you directly to the video I've already made. That will be all for this book on a new KDP niche that I can leverage on to increase your monthly sales every single month. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. And if you're seeing this channel for the first time, my name is Stacy, and on this channel I always share different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. If you love this type of content, you may want to subscribe and turn on your notification bell as to get notified each time I upload any video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.